Choose an open area clear of buildings and other obstacles. Turn on the drone. The light turns green then red, wait for pairing. Turn on the remote. Place the drone on a level ground. Push the left and right joystick to 11 and 1 o'clock position to calibrate the gyroscope. It will search for GPS signal automatically. You will see ready to fly on the upper left corner of the app when completed. Push the left and right joystick to 5 and 7 o'clock position to unlock the motors. Push up the left joystick to take off. Tap the camera and the video button on the app to take pictures and videos. Adjust the lens angle with the remote control. You can also take pictures and record the videos by clicking the buttons on the remote control. The pictures and the videos will be stored. Mode on the app. Adjust the flight distance and altitude according to demand, and then save it. The drone should fly higher than surrounding obstacles so that it can fly stably. With the left stick, you can control the drone to fly up and down. Right joystick, you can control the drone to fly forward, backward, left, and right. Then long press the power button to turn off the remote control.